Abembia ba na wamaya te ase se emaburu no ne yendache enti yan ne yekọ but yebewi ase no na nkokrafo na eda so didie ye wo kroma na enra youth the leader for the youth nurses wa graduate wanya adwuma nyeye anything to go by or 75,000 youth and I walk from a nurses a graduate here on your juma and ye. Is it my cancer? Ufa politics is the most dangerous game in every country. There are politicians in here. One American philosopher, no Greek philosopher. Now, how terrible politicians are in their decisions. Politicians are timemu forte sa akoko. Yama kwam di akoko noa. You are demonstrating how politics they play on the intelligence of Ghanaians. Na akukwa no ekoma de no an wo tutu akukwa no onku no otutu akukwa ni ntakra eniye yawo so no obi atiem ade na wo ya akukwa sei wutiri mu aden e de nko kom di akukwa no no afro rally podium na wo de bro kakra bi
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Akukwa no at one section ye tutu akukwa takra omo mu huye enim se retiri mu eden. At another section akukwa na wo takra nyina kuku. Na another politician ana wono ankasa mu anu afa sa akukwa no. Wa pa bro wo tutu de egu and what begu petem no di na obi atwamu papa yi nyame nhira no akukọ ehwebra wo bre wo ma na aduane adie o nyame nhira akukọ yi papa yi
87.9
akukọ enso ne wure manfo wure fise enra ono na etutu akukọ no ho ntu be akukọ na waye desperate akukọ a waye mobo wo hu ne ye no ya ma na aduane adi nti esu wo su nyina no wagyae Okoya ma be ma me appointment oru atenkran Sir John mon sache Sir John mo ma me that interview e wo vote no so Senate boss live interview last year e wo mafidie su he ya the man was here
Akuma FM 87.9
ideas policies mine in fact some my way and wo roll what wrote new policy private sector ATS net first ever in the history of this republic a does change even the government sector or no and a told the policy senate retirement package dema womono watum over 100% says here say where we adwuma less than 1 month was senate you be regularize the amount. This thing
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
was the man who was bringing all these innovations. Enra yeda sorry termination of office and handing over. Reference is made to your appointment letter dated 1st July 2019 issued by the Public Service Commission. In accordance with paragraph 8 of the said appointment letter, I regret to inform you that the president has terminated your appointment
Akuma FM 87.9
effective 15th year Monday ana Monday 15th year coming Monday nto wura atenkran eduadedu a onsi office biem with 3 months salary in lieu of your notice. Just say you're terminating appointment with immediate effect. Any amount of 3 months notice. You are directed to hand over to Kofi Bosompem or Safma
Akuma FM 87.9
and proceed to collect any terminal benefit you may be entitled. To ensure a smooth transition, kindly hand over and cease to act as the Director General of the Social Security and National Insurance Trust no later than close of business on Monday 15th. President, thank you for your service to the nation
FM 87.9
and extend his best wishes. Asante Bedietu, Dr. John Ofuri Tenkran. And I'm sure let him say Ghana ye kwahin. Eja to Ghana mu. Eja to Senate mu. With the speed. Nipa nti bone ben waye we di Ghana sika. Ye prayer pamono ye wia. Kwaji 3 months salary. Termination of friend is saying appointment. Ye twem when ye
Akuma FM 87.9
office kura mensi ho se sawnia mako e ma obiem ye chiwa ye bo tutuo hey wi oba julo and see office biem senate dan ne kura no utwemu amenhwe biem and fascinate of friend is saying e dan echi kura biem e de na si na na do dan kwa akofo ado ye ti kura we mu Anna on the 15th November 2018.
Akuma FM 87.9.
Oraya osafoma fiya na Ghana former brusu ye nya adwuma nya adwuma ni ho ya osafoma fo se maburu a ekasa no omo ye lazy na maburu na mpa adwuma e wo Ghana. Yete ye na ya wasaf mafo ne mma mienu ne mma mienu ne mma mienu atefo tobo asene tie nkomo ni ye o ay Awurade Yesu Ghana we on
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ya wasaf mafo mma mienu Kofi Bosompem wasaf mafo ana Kwadwo Jamfi Osaf Mafo Baako akoye deputy director in charge of investment and development was net ono nene abaye CEO ana ne baako Kwadwo Jamfi Osaf Mafo yede na abaye deputy director in charge of cyber security our National Communication Authority NCA ono so by next month
FM 87.9
you be NCA boss na free ho ne ba we be ba be director general oba be boss e wo NCA take this from me yaw osafomafo ne mani nie de owo benkum ha no e na wo NCA ana de owo ni fanso hey ye ona wa yes net oba be take over no ye de yes no ma ha ye ni o
Akuma FM
tema ya WhatsApp ma fo no mo pe Ghana amanyo sem panimfo adi no ne yes no mu gu akura ase to hye no mo to hye nti yen ya brabo nie de yen ya babedu no ye papa no ma mobra enti wo mo papa no mo bo obra no wo mo nko a na wo appointment enkwala wie school for 4 years yenya wo bi amfa no ye man appointment letter
Akuma FM
One more in
87.9
your Jumania, you see there be Ghana former brew pre, mo pre. None yet to Chroma and a betoja. Say Ghana scholarship secretariat. Womu ayema womu scholarship no. Sa scholarship ni nyina government officials.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Womu ni womu se no womu papa no abobra ene amanyofo emma ene ye de sa scholarship no emma womu enye IGP bag na ye osafma foba enye osafma foba na ye oforiata na wo faase enye oforiata wo faase a na ye bedi atuo yire ketwa
87.9
ye bedi atuo yire ketwa na ye minister bi nua saa na ye che enti wo a wo free betenko na amo apiedu kokoben a wo pay 2,000 500 Ghana cedi e de atua hostel fee ana say atua wo fee stamina fee no ye be ka kire say wo mpa adwuma wo si amobra you ho na Ghana ye den Ghana niska. And this is how we are killing ourselves in this country.
Akuma FM
We are party back na nkoma ye die. When you bre na de Kofi Asante say winim ne ekoso a ka wani bebre. Why? Because sa de na wote from her when you bre wo we are pulling de a wo kontokwa no. Sa ne ma we nyina wonya bio safumafo oforiata eni mpanimfo no wo mo manko eti heck maka no wofia ha ehiafo a ye wo krom ha ebekoso ehia ye dodo eskafo no emma no
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na isi ye kan say ya na se ye kan wasem a bon se obi ede ababeto say ena Kofi Asante mo ya agenda ajapade book document ba ya na ye kan wasem share one of the pages ewo ajapade uba Facebook page ewo akoma 87.9 FM Revelation we
FM 87.9
ajapade book obi ama abonten me kan say enye ne dia ena obi ama me dispute but here section II how deliberately abai betimi are taking over the various financial institutions na ama womo abaye kenkon na ona control the affairs of this country. One of the sections titled EcoBank, and without any reference to EcoBank as a bank,
FM 87.9
the title as it is captured and American wasem without any malice. The title is EcoBank, and I refer to the title in this book, not any EcoBank as an institution. We have two routes of entry into this institution. First, through SNET, which has a seat on the board of EcoBank by virtue of its shareholders or shareholding. That seat is occupied by the Director General of SNET. In the
FM 87.9
in phase 2 of our agenda, Kofi Bosompem Osafumafo, who is a Deputy Director General of SNET, should be made the Director General to give him the seat on the EcoBank board. Secondly, the wife of Asa Ankuma is the group head of commercial banking and a member of the executive management of the EcoBank. Our intelligence is that both the role of Group CEO, Managing Director, EcoBank, will become vacant in the next 2 years
87.9 Kumasi
to 3 years. Nana has been advised to use all diplomatic avenues to support his Ankuma's wife to fill one of these impending vacancies. May the Lord be with us. Amen. Abusanfo se book we enye nokra ebeto abonten obi ama abonten emeka se book we boa and consciously
FM 87.9 Kumasi
baby aye de kan
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na we party bana wo form ha na esikafo ne mpanimfo na ewosoro ho no wo mo mane nkwa obi anka se obi qualifier e mfa post ma no asabi ye wo krom ha no ni dipa ba akofo na nanane abrewa ye bi so asap ma fo sa denti ena ne mankwa na eko 2019 asap ma fo se ne mana bin na omo ko school papa na interviews awodo omo ye ni nyina ne mano na bin omo top ye
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Then time Osafmafo was the senior advisor to the President of the Republic. Senior presidential advisor and senior most minister ewo Ghana ha. Hey. Omampani dada kofo ti krom ha. Na ne ba ekoto hotel. Obia Ghana ha. Obia kasi enti bida. You could try one shot. One shot. If you say President Biba at that time the Kranachas Abrante
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Our one investment. Yes, there be. Neba. We had even a non-MP before. And what other section of sorry tia man penny that I could for basse. Sanya ma we nyina hu hia. Na papa be di president a eni kwan sa obobra. John Dramani Mahama ni nua ekofa excavator a no wode tete odo na river nsuo yiri en wose me engineers and planners me wo workers me wo bibia me am the excavator
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nsuo hwewa yesi hwew ya horo papa yi di dwo mama tem se mo e mamboyefo ene na nado dan kwa akofo ado ne mama de orgy post eje ne orgy shop eje ne orgy board member eje with impunity eni wo bi anim ene ye gro ye diga na atunu se ye to ye diga na atunu se ye to
Akuma
we a party here you must be what me say any revolution, any development, any improvement abasnata say minsura make a choice Mr. Tinkran has been one of the best CEOs ever Ghanaian. Kwapia na boa na ni dwan eyiraye yetimi anhwehwe nti ene baby ya ba beduru no